I am gonna show you how to use Fibonacci lines effectively. So I'm gonna explain everything you need to know about Fibonacci. Let's start off with this trend line. So I'll always do start off by reading the market. So the market has been trending up, and then it broke that trend. A few touches at this level, and then a downtrend, a small uptrend. So we're just gonna basically touch on trends a little bit so that we know how it's going. So I can spot a support zone over here, and also I can see there's a resistance zone over here. So basically that's it. We are not going deep in the market, and finally we have a trend over here which is still running currently. So we're going to be observing a breakout on this trend so that we go on a short position or we go on a long position. So this trend line has been broken. We're looking at a short position right now. And now let's observe how the market behaves on this short position after the breakout of this trend line. So our trade is done. Let's move over to Fibonacci and see how far this trade will go. Alright, there we have our Fibonacci, and we're looking at that 8.2. So let's say if we get a retracement right there. So if we can closes above the 23.6, we will be going on a call trade. So good. Yeah, this is promising. So if this candle closes above 23.6, we're going to go long. It's a call trade. Alright, we didn't have the candle closing, so there isn't a valid trade yet. We're still looking at that 8.2. So guys, do you notice something? We are already forming a downtrend right there. So if you just look at with Fibonacci, we can tell you that it retraced at 50. That's like half of the trend of the first trend. So let's just check this out. Look at this level, a good retrace at the 50 zone, and that's why I so insist on 50% zone being very crucial. So if you just look at this chart, if it breaks, yeah, it has already broken. This means that we must get to the 50 zone. It breaks that 8.2, we must get to the 50% zone. So if you guys remember, we have a resistance point over there, but that's not as important as this 50% zone. Alright, let's just draw this trend over here. So you can see we are on that downtrend, and then we are gonna watch for this 50% zone until it's touched. There we go. So that's why Fibonacci levels are so crucial, because the market observes them. Now 50% is a very crucial point, so we expect the market to trace until up to 50, since it has already broken that 8.2, and the market does not reverse there between those lines, right? So we had a solid breakout. So just watch. Yeah, it has hit 50% zone. So something else to note, when the market hits 61.8, it is not bound to come back. Oh, okay, we've hit 50 and it's like we are retracing back up, but that's a very big candle. Like the market, I don't know what happened. So let's just keep watching the trend, keep watching the downtrend. So this is a potential reversal point, since we are now on a downtrend. So we've like made a lower high. So at this point, what we are looking for is a breakout on this trend. So we have a breakout here and a retest. We go long. If we don't have a retest, we don't have a valid trade. Since this, we are also watching the Fibonacci levels. Right now we are looking at that 8.2. So there are higher chances of going up rather than down. But also remember, You're not making the decision, the market is making the decision. So what the market tells you, you follow. Let's pause a bit and see what the market does. So we got downtrend moving down and down. So breaking the 61.8 just means that we are still looking down, and we are gonna follow to the 100 zone, and we're gonna place a short trade. So 5 minutes is up, and I like making these videos 5 minutes. So thanks guys for watching. Always subscribe to the channel and share this video as much as you can. So thanks for your regards. I'm glad I'm helping a lot of people there. So keep watching and keep subscribing and keep liking the page. So post your trading results on the page. I'm free with that. Thank you guys for watching.